Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Coding with DG. Today we have a quick topic, a short video about pop-ups in JavaScript. So we are going to see that we have three different types of pop-ups, and we are going to go directly to the practice on how to use them because that's the most important thing in the topic. Okay, so let's go for it. Let's go to our JavaScript file, and in this lecture we are going to talk about pop-ups in JavaScript. There are basically three ways of generating pop-ups with JavaScript. These three ways are alert, confirm, and prompt. But how each of them work? Here we have a JavaScript file that is imported in our HTML here. And we can try it here or in the developer console, and it will be the same. Remember, to open the console, you just go to your browser here, right-click, inspect element, and go to the console tab. Let's start with alert. We have seen how alert works in previous lectures. We can use it anywhere in our program, and the way to use it is just typing like here, just typing alert, parentheses, quotes, the message that you want. Semicolons at the end, save and refresh, and that's it. Here we have our alert pop-up. Right. Now let's see how confirm works. Let's remove the alert, and we are gonna type confirm, parentheses, quotes, and for example, do you want to learn JavaScript? Semicolons at the end, save it, and see what kind of pop-up will be shown. Let's refresh this page. And here we are. This is a different kind of pop-up. It's similar to the alert pop-up, but now we have two options, OK or cancel. And that's the only difference between alert and confirm. We can also provide a specific behavior when the user presses one option or the other. What about prompt? Let's remove the confirm. And we are going to type prompt, parentheses, quotes, title for the pop-up. After the quote, put a comma, and as a second parameter, another quote. This is a default value. Semicolons at the end, save it, refresh the website, and here we are. The difference is that with prompt, we are providing a way to the user to enter some values. It also gives the same options as the confirm pop-up, OK, and cancel. And as you can see, we wrote two parameters, the title of the pop-up and a default value. The default value is absolutely optional. If we want, we can remove it, save, refresh, and that's it. We have no default value here. Cool. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. Please, if you like it, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and any comment, any doubt, any suggestion that you can have, please leave it in the comments below. I will see you in the next one.